In today's video, I'm going to teach you ClickUp organizational charts, how to make one. Even though ClickUp doesn't include a dedicated org chart view, its whiteboard is one of the most flexible features you can use to design a clear, visual hierarchy. It gives you a canvas where roles, departments, and reporting lines can be mapped out in a way that's easy to understand and quick to update. Start inside your workspace and look for the plus icon next to the Team Space panel. Click that plus sign, then choose Whiteboard. A fresh canvas opens, ready for you to build. Think of this as your blueprint. You're about to place the key positions, group-related teams, and connect the dots on how work and leadership flow. Along the bottom, you'll see a variety of tools that help you organize your team, workflows, and even personal responsibilities. Begin by adding shapes. Rectangles or ovals work well to represent roles or departments. Place the topmost role at the top of the canvas, then add direct reports beneath it. Keep spacing consistent so everything remains readable as the chart grows. If you have repeating structures, duplicate a shape to save time and preserve formatting. Next, connect your shapes to show reporting relationships. Use the line or connector tool to draw clean links from managers to their team members. Keep lines straight and avoid crossings where possible. A tidy layout makes the chart much easier to follow at a glance. Add text to each shape with names, job titles, or core responsibilities. Keep labels short but informative. Title first, then the person, and optionally, a one-line responsibility. To emphasize key areas, like departments or leadership tiers, click the highlight tool. Use it to call attention to important sections or milestones. For a quick example, simply type highlight to create a labeled banner and move it above a group you want to emphasize. Give your chart polish with a few visual tweaks. Adjust colors, borders, and fonts to improve readability or align with your brand. Color coding departments or leadership levels can make scanning the chart much faster. After just a few moments of arranging shapes, connectors, and labels, you'll have a working org chart that's good enough to share and refine over time. When you're ready to manage the file, open the whiteboard settings. From there, you can rename your whiteboard, delete it if needed, provide feedback, and access additional options. That's it for this whiteboard tutorial. With these steps, you've created a clear, customizable organizational chart right inside ClickUp. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.